Good morning. We're here in front of the Whole Foods taking care of the front entranceway and surrounding walkway of the building. Right now we're just doing the flat work of it, any cement, pavers, and then later on we're going to be doing the building, the walls and whatnot, giving a building wash. But let's give a quick walkthrough of what we got going on. Already knocking it out from here all the way down there. And then we'll do a quick walk down of this floor, this aggregate stone type deal. Stained cement, stained red. All of this here, giving it some good degrease, giving it some hard pressure. Then we're gonna rinse all that out, down to the drains. Rinsing down all this furniture. Almost halfway there. This is practically already completed. Halfway here. Next we got this side here and our pal supervisor.